Good day everyone, my name is K.R. Libins and I am honored to serve as the chairperson of Cooperative Development. Today, I want to discuss significance of Cooperative Development Authority CDA flywheel strategy and how it can help properly our cooperative towards sustainable growth. Cooperative Development Authorities CDA. This strategy is an effective approach for fostering long-term growth in cooperatives. It's similar to a spinning wheel where each action creates momentum that drives the next. Each improvement or success contributes to accelerating further progress. Strengths of the flywheel strategy. Focus on key strengths. By honing in our core competencies, we can enhance both our impact and operational efficiency. Number 2, ongoing growth. Fostering a culture of innovation and continuous learning allows us to adapt and evolve over time. Number 3, member empowerment. By investing in our members, we empower them to drive the cooperative success. Potential challenges. Resource constraints. Limited resources may impede progress. Bureaucratic hurdles. Regulatory complexities can delay decision making. Diverse membership needs of addressing the varied needs of our members can be difficult. To overcome these challenges, we can prioritize initiative concrete on high priority projects that support our long-term objective, leverage technology, optimize process, and enhance efficiency through digital tools, foster strong member relationship, cultivate trust, and promote active member engagement. Unfinished business, our commitment to progress, member development, improving our training initiative to provide members with the skill necessary for success. Financial sustainability, adapting strategies to grow our financial reserves and secure long-term stability. Community impact, growing our outreach effort to support and benefit a larger segment of the community.